Good evening, everybody. It's perDrA back in the garden. I actually am here. I can't turn this camera around so you can see me, but believe me, it's me. And I just want to show you and share all these cool things. I mean, all these anemones are going to come up, hopefully, if I can keep the deer away in the fall. These are pineapple lilies. I just love these pineapple lilies because the flowers are so spectacular. And it's called pineapple lily for obvious reasons, so that little tuft of leaves. And this purple color, or whatever this is fairly common. But I have recently, if I can just take you over to another little area of the garden here, been so enthralled with the white. I always liked the white. But you can see the colors are got that purple center still, but they really show up in the garden. I just truly love these pineapple lilies. They're called Eucomis, E-U-C-O-M-I-S, and oh my, aren't they pretty? The foliage is big, strappy, and after the flowers are gone, I'll cut back the foliage a little bit so it won't take up quite so much room. Anyway, let's go gardening. Let's have fun. There's a ton of things to see out there, and come join me in beautiful Athens, Georgia, and we'll do it together. All the best.